Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Thank you so much for joining. If you are new here, I super appreciate you being here, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel so you can catch up on all the latest in the news and learn about the law. Just some really good information that I'll be providing here. So today we're going to do a legal analysis of a video of an officer pulling over these young teenage guys, and we're going to analyze this video. So stay tuned.
You need to Google some stuff.
I want to see proof that I was speeding.
You need to educate yourself.
I do a lot of research.
Obviously not.
Here's my insurance.
Okay. Ma'am. Sir, do you have your ID with you?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay.
I'm a minor.
I understand.
I'm the driver.
So the officer asks the passenger to identify himself. So in a traffic stop, if you are being pulled over and there are more than one individual in the car, it's just not the driver, there's multiple people riding with you, the officers can identify these individuals as well. They can ask them for ID.
Okay, I'm not going to tell you again. I'm talking to him. Sir, okay, so
Yes,
let me
sir.
explain how it works. You're more than welcome to film. Okay?
Thank you.
But when you film, it gives me a right to ID you.
Okay, well, I'm a minor. I don't have my ID.
Okay, but I can still ID you.
Okay.
Okay? And verify who you are. How old are you?
I'm 16. I'm a minor.
16. Okay, so your
Oh,
parents...
I'm 17, actually. Yesterday is my birthday.
Okay,
Happy
so
birthday
your
to me.
parents, then I need to contact your parents to find out who you are and
All
if
right.
they know where you're
My
at.
mom's phone. Are you ready for my mom's phone number?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
If an officer asks you to step out of the vehicle in a traffic stop, you do have to abide by those rules. You do need to step out.
So step out back for me.
All right, sweet. I'm just videoing for my own protection. My hands are up, by the way.
Okay, we'll put the phone down.
This is for my own protection.
It
but
is. You
I'll
can put
just-
it right there.
There we go.
Okay, do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir, I don't.
Don't reach. Put your hands over there. No weapons at all. No pocket knives? Yes or no?
No, sir, I do not have any weapons on me.
Okay.
If an officer asks you, do you have any weapons on you? You want to be honest with them and tell them the truth. Because this, again, I've mentioned in previous videos, you cannot lie to the police, but the police can't lie to you. So if you do have weapons, you definitely want to let them know.
Do you want to quote the law and tell me what the law is? I have the right to pat down for weapons.
Okay.
You need to Google some stuff before you start
I've been watching
us.
a lot of YouTube.
Damn, we're going to miss our movie.
Yeah.
My birthday
What
night,
time,
too.
what time is the movie showing?
10:10. If
10:10.
you're 10 minutes late, they don't let you buy the tickets.
Okay, first of all, you were
On the
not...
left side of the
Stop,
road, and
stop,
I'm on
stop.
the right side. I'm just wondering. I'm trying to be polite. I don't want any trouble. I don't want to escalate
You don't want any
anything.
trouble, but you've already started it by questioning why I
By
removed
going the speed limit to a movie,
Okay.
yes.
You weren't going to speed.
I was.
Why don't
I would like to see
Okay.
proof of my speed.
Okay,
if
so
I was
this is
speeding.
what we're going to do.
Okay.
When I issue a citation, okay? When I issue a citation for speeding.
I want to see proof that I was speeding.
This is how it works, okay?
You have a radar clock. It prints off a little receipt saying
No, I
how fast.
don't. No, I
Okay,
don't.
so how am I supposed to know you're lying? Because I know I was going 70 miles per hour for a fact.
Okay, I know for a fact. Once you
Prove
pass
it.
me, then you'll get your chance at court. Here, let me explain something.
Mixing the phone.
Okay, so you know the cuss word, that's disorderly conduct.
Now, that is not actually true. You can curse at the police. They don't have a right to tell you that you can or cannot curse at them. I'm not sure why this officer decided to tell this individual that. Just because you're cursing at them, you're not going to go to jail for cursing at the police.
That's another citation, and it's actually,
I'm sorry,
it's actually an arrestable offense.
I thought it was freedom of speech. I'm sorry.
So you're truly telling me that you think anybody in the world or America can say whatever they want, even if it's offensive, racist, sexist,
Mom,
or
Jacob did nothing
makes
wrong.
fun of
Cops
someone. You think
has
that's
nothing
okay?
better to
Do you think that's legal?
I think it's protected in those cases.
Most cases. What about all
No,
cases?
he literally did. He did
So
nothing.
let me ask you this, just a random thing.
Because I feel like
A random thing.
to express my true emotion, I need to usurp.
It's not your. Is it legal for a person?
Yeah, well, his
to
random
wear-
check's going to make us late to the movie.
Nope, it's
You
not.
know why? Because it causes chaos.
I can incite a riot.
Correct. So freedom of speech.
How am I going to incite a riot
Yeah.
out here?
You need to educate yourself more.
I do. I do a lot of research.
Obviously not.
As you can see, there is a lot of back and forth going on with this officer and this young man. Now, I have mentioned in previous videos, you want to keep your encounters, your interactions with the police very short and brief, just because you just don't want to give them a reason to anger them. And it's not because you don't have rights. It's because in this day and age, the police are getting away with a lot of things. And if you want to make it out alive, I would just suggest that you keep your interactions brief as possible. You can always argue in court, but unfortunately you don't have the right. There is just your word against their word, and the prosecutors and judges work very closely with the police and not you. So with that in mind, just make sure whenever, if you ever are in an interaction and you're having anything going on, just keep it brief as possible. And watch those other videos for more tips. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will be back with more videos. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video. See you next time.